Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome back to one of my videos. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. In this week I'm bringing to you this beautiful infinity scarf. So I've named it the Pink Ballerina Infinity Scarf and it matches the headband that I made a few weeks ago. I will be linking that just up here and in the down bar. So yes, it's absolutely beautiful and it's really easy to crochet, and I will be linking the free pattern, which is as always on my blog selinaveronique.com, and there will be plenty of photographs on my blog for this project. So this is a very easy infinity scarf. I will be taking you step by step through this process. So for this project I used two of these skeins, and this is Caron Baby Cakes by Yarnspirations. I used one and then a bit more of another. So if you wanted, you could create both your scarf and your headband with both those skeins of yarn, if that makes sense. So this is shade Dreamy Peach and it is a medium for 100% acrylic yarn. I used a 6mm crochet hook for this project, as well as a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I will be using US terms, and don't forget all the details are in the down bar and my blog. Okay, so to begin this pattern you will be chaining 24. So create a slip knot, pop your hook through and chain 24. So 1, 2, 3. So I've chained a smaller amount to demonstrate this part, but the principle will be the exact same. So now you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 chains from the hook, and in that fourth chain you will be placing a double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into this chain, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, pull up a loop and go through 2 loops, and take your yarn and go through 2 loops. And this creates a double crochet, and the chain 3 here counts as a double crochet also. So now I'm going to show you how to create a V-stitch. So this is very simple. Now that you've placed 1 double crochet in that stitch, we are simply going to be placing a second double crochet in this stitch, and this is how I create my V stitches. So this is our first V stitch. We are going to be skipping 1 chain and going into the next and placing 2 double crochets into that chain, 1 and 2, and skipping a chain and going into the next and placing 2 double crochets into that, and skip a chain and go into the next and place 2 double crochets into that, 1 and 2. And now I've reached almost the end of my row. However, you would have a lot more V stitches to create, but I finished my row almost. I've got 1 chain here that I'm going to skip, and I'm going to go into the last chain space and place 1 double crochet into that. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into this last chain, and this is what row 1 looks like. So now for row 2, 1, 2 and 3, so we've chained 3. Turn your work and you are simply going to be working inside each V stitches from the previous row. So it's a very easy. So what we are going to be doing is going directly into the V-stitch from the previous row. We're going to go in that space and place 2 double crochets in this space to create a new V-stitch, and this is what it looks like. We're going to go into the next V-stitch and place another V-stitch into that. And you are simply going to be going into each and every V-stitch from the previous row until the end of this row. So I've almost finished this row, so I'm simply going to carry on, but you should have more stitches, of course. There we go. This is what we have, and I'm going to be finishing my row by placing 1 double crochet into the chain 3 from the previous row, and this is what we are going to have. So this is row 2 completed, and what we are going to be doing now is simply repeat row 2 over and over. Okay, so you will be repeating row 2 just like I've explained for 86 rows in total. So for this project you will be needing 86 rows in total of this pattern, and I'll meet you back to show you how to create your infinity scarf once you've completed all your rows. Okay, so I'm back and I've completed all my rows. So as you can see, this has created our long scarf, which in my case I will be sewing together just because I want it to be an infinity scarf, because that's what I want. However, you don't have to do this. You can leave it like this. So to create your infinity scarf, so I've left a long tail at the end of my project. When I fastened off, I left a long tail for sewing, and what we will be doing is placing our project flat like so and popping it like that. We are going to be making sure that both the edges here where we are going to be sewing this project together, make sure that they are placed properly. And now I am simply going to be sewing this together. Okay, so I've zoomed in, and what I will be showing you is the mattress stitch. So the mattress stitch creates a more seamless seam. So just go in one side like so, and then just go directly into the other side. And this creates a seamless stitch. So just go ahead and do this until you reach the top of the seam. So here we go. I finished sewing this scarf in. I'm really happy with the result. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it's going to make a perfect Christmas present for a friend. So don't forget to check out the matching headband. I will be linking that in the down bar. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you next week.